Welcome to Grab and Go Painting with Spices. This time of year, there's always all great smells coming from kitchens as we get ready for our big feasts. I thought it'd be fun to try some with turmeric, which is a nice bright yellow spice, adding just a little bit of water, not too much because you don't want it to be too watery. And then with cumin, which is from the parsley family, and adding just a little bit of water to that as well. Making sure that you're not adding too much water, you could also just use a tablespoon measuring spoon to add a few tablespoons of water at a time, stirring it up and testing it. You'll do this again with chili powder, which, some people say, hey, it was invented in Texas. We'll talk about that again soon. Adding a little bit of water and stirring that up. Set a timer for about 5 minutes so that these spices can kind of marry together with the water. While you're waiting, talking about these spices, as I mentioned, cumin is from the parsley family and was originated in Western Asia and is native to the Mediterranean region. Turmeric, which is from 4,000 years ago in India for flavoring and religious purposes, also is used as an herbal medicine. That's the one that's more yellow in color. And then chili powder, which is mixed from different variations with red chili peppers. Used in many dishes such as Tex-Mex, Chinese, and Korean and Mexican and more. And now that we've let our kind of paint mixtures rest a bit, you can stir them up and get started. I started with my turmeric for the more golden color. Go ahead and paint your picture. These are a sunflower illustration. And I thought the colors that we used, with the turmeric being golden, the cumin being a little bit more brown, and the chili powder having a reddish brown hue to it, it'd be a great fall kind of themed art rendition. Allow it to dry and then cut around the outside of your illustration. And with your glue stick, you'll go ahead and flip it over and glue it onto the yellow cardstock. Boy, you're gonna love what it looks like. It certainly gives a beautiful pop of color when you put it against that yellow background, doesn't it? With your other extras in your bag, go ahead and draw with the marker. I did, as you can see here, with pumpkins, my own little still life, and was able to draw and paint. You can do whatever you would like. It's all up to you, the artist, painting with spices.